Welcome to the future of work, a future that's exciting, dynamic, and filled with opportunities for those who are ready to embrace change. We are living in a time where technology and automation are transforming industries around the globe. From AI to robotics, machines are taking on tasks once performed by humans. But don't worry, this is not about jobs disappearing, it's about jobs evolving. In manufacturing, robots are working side by side with humans, increasing productivity and efficiency. But while machines handle repetitive tasks, it opens up space for you to take on more creative, strategic, and high-paying roles. Let's look at some key industries. In tech, for instance, new roles in AI, cybersecurity, and software development are booming. Healthcare is another field seeing massive growth, with a need for professionals who understand not only medicine but also data and technology. And manufacturing, it's evolving too. Automation is taking over repetitive work, but skilled professionals are still needed to manage programs and innovate these systems. Another trend that's changing the global market is the rise of remote work. Once a luxury, working from home is now a norm in many industries. Technology allows you to connect, collaborate, and create from anywhere in the world. This shift towards remote work has opened doors to global employment opportunities, especially for regions like Africa. Now, you can compete for jobs around the world without ever leaving your home. Yes, the world of work is changing fast, but this is your chance to stand out. You can thrive in this new environment with the right skills, mindset, and adaptability. Whether it's learning how to code, understanding data analytics, or mastering new technologies, the future is yours to shape. The opportunities are endless. So, are you ready to embrace the future of work? Let's dive into these trends and discover how you can position yourself for global success.